Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel T-Doc, and this is a video for backrest for the bed. So in simpler terms, this product is known as Wedge. So let's unbox it, and afterwards I'll also put it on bed and also let you know how it feels when you sit with it on bed. So basically I ordered this from as you can see, I ordered this from Amazon. So if you need a description link of this product, let me know. So I bought it for around 1800. So this thing goes beyond you say. So I don't know why Amazon said I do this, but this is a wrong way of providing product. So that was my invoice. So as you can see, that's how it looks. So as you can see, the only thing it's missing is it's the cover. So yeah, okay, I think it is in good cover. So yeah, that's good. It is washable. Okay. Let's move to the next step. So that's how it look. It has zip, so you can आप इसे निकाल के फिर धो के दोबारा चढ़ा सकते हो. So basically it what over this side they said they have memory foam, and other side they have some kind of styrofoam of good quality. So as you can see, it is a made in India product, so little bit thankful for the manufacturer. So after this step, I'll be telling you, showing you how to put it on bed and how to sit with it. So let's do it. Just wait a minute. Thanks. So we already have a pillow, but let's put it aside, and the correct way is to this side will go to support your back. So there it is a multi-purpose product. So as you can see, it is a multi-use product. So let's see, that's how you lean your back over here. So that's how and I must say थोड़ा सा तो comfortable feel होता है, and it is my first time using it, so nice. And I'll so next is also you can use it like this. can put your leg over here and you can rest over here. So that is another one. So I'll show you the another way how it will look on from side angles. So what is my review on this? So first, my back doesn't bend. It does support a little bit. So yeah, it is, first review is good, okay, I guess. But also with time I like this product because it's a trending product for back pain. So I'll must say you have it. You must have it. So okay, I'll show you from side angle so how it look. Okay, thanks. So now I'll let you see how it looks from side angle for my for any back support. So as you can see, when you lean your back, it takes a support from the cushion. So it does. In the start, it does feel awkward because we never used this kind of product, and due to work from home and even calling back to the office, what we have faced is the back pain and longer sitting hours. So for chairs you have it like back support for the chairs and car, but what about for the bed? So I bought it just for my bed. So thank you, that was my review for the back support for the cushion, which is for back pain and back support. I must say you have it, at least this one in your home. So sometimes whenever you need a support, it will be a good, literally a good thing to have it in your home. Thank you for watching this video. If you like it, kindly share it.